Ever thought about starting your own domain and hosting business without building everything from scratch? That's where the GoDaddy reseller program comes in. But is it actually worth it or just another upsell in disguise? So let's break it down. The GoDaddy reseller program lets you sell domains, hosting, SSL certificates, and more under your brand name using GoDaddy's backend. You get a pre-built storefront, product inventory, and 24/7 support handled by GoDaddy. So, here are the pros. First is you don't need to build or manage your own hosting infrastructure. Another thing is the white label branding. Your customers see your business, not GoDaddy. Also, there are low startup costs, $107 per year for basic or $179 per year for pro. Lastly is you earn profit on the markup you choose. But it's not all smooth sailing. The cons are the storefront design is limited and not super customizable. You still compete with GoDaddy's own prices, which are often cheaper. And lastly, there's no real customer ownership. GoDaddy handles the billing and support. So, who is this really for? If you're a web designer, agency owner, or entrepreneur who wants a side income stream by offering domains and hosting, it's a decent plug and play option. But if you're dreaming of building the next big hosting brand, this platform may feel a bit limiting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!